Chapter 2. Reducing the Risk of Alzheimer's and Neurodegenerative Disease. When considering the importance of diet as a factor of health, it's important to be aware of some of the potential diseases that can be associated with poor memory and cognitive degeneration. Having an understanding of these diseases helps to know how to go about implementing dietary remedies. One of the most drastic of these diseases is Alzheimer's. Alzheimer's is a progressive mental illness that occurs in old age. It's a deterioration of the cognitive abilities of people, and symptoms of this disease usually begin to show up anywhere from middle age to old age. Also known as senile dementia, Alzheimer's is characterized by memory loss, confusion, and behavioral problems. The symptoms of Alzheimer's usually develop slowly, showing in simple things like forgetting a loved one's birthday, forgetting where you put the car keys, forgetting a neighbor's name, etc. These symptoms become worse over time, enough to prevent the sufferer from being active in society. Contrary to popular belief, Alzheimer's is not a normal part of aging. It's a brain disease. There are warning signs you can watch out for to detect Alzheimer's on time and proceed with treatment. Alzheimer's may be a potential factor if any of the following behaviors are identified.